Hello and welcome. Today, we are going to talk about 5 skills that every mechanical engineer should have in order to succeed. Mechanical engineering is a branch of engineering that involves design, production, and operation of machinery. It is one of the oldest, broadest of engineering disciplines. This field requires understanding of core areas including mechanics, dynamics, thermodynamics, material science, electricity, and much more. It is very important for mechanical engineers to possess certain qualities and skills. Here we are providing 5 most important skills for mechanical engineers should have in order to succeed. First one, problem solving. A big part of the mechanical engineer's job is to solving problems using mechanical or thermal devices. Mechanical engineers need to be strong analytical thinkers who are capable of solving problems brought to them by client or employers. Second one is creativity. Mechanical engineering involves developing and in designing products which range from batteries to electric generators to medical devices. Inventing products involves a lot of creativity. Creative mind is essential for this kind of work. Third one is communication skills. After a mechanical engineer develops a product for a client, they may have to explain complex machines or devices who are not familiar with mechanical engineering. They have to be able to explain clear and effectively, and this takes strong communication skills. Fourth one is teamwork. Mechanical engineering involves a lot of teamwork. Engineers, after working in groups to invent technologies and solving problems, they might work with people who are not mechanical engineers, such as computer scientists or architects. Therefore, they need to be able to work with a diverse team of people to solve problems. And lastly, math skills. Mechanical engineering needs to be comfortable using maths for problem solving. The math skills required for mechanical engineers include calculus and statistics. They need to be able to apply these skills to analyze problems and design solutions. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.